My name is Bella. I'm 29 years old, and I live in a small town. I was married to a man named Jeff. We were together for 11 years and we have a beautiful daughter named Clara. She's 7 now. For a long time, I thought my life was good. I loved my husband. I trusted him. He was not just my partner, he was my best friend and the father of my child. I believed he was kind, loyal, and loving, but everything changed one night and it happened so fast, I could barely breathe. It was a cold Saturday evening in late December. The wind was strong, and the air felt strange, like something bad was coming. Jeff told me he was going to his best friend James's birthday party in the city. I'll be home late. Love. Don't wait up, he said. I had a fever and a sore throat, so I stayed home. I curled up with tea, a blanket, and a book. I actually looked forward to the peace and quiet. What Jeff didn't tell me was that his ex-girlfriend, Mary, would also be at that party. The next morning, something felt off. Jeff came home and sat in the kitchen. He looked different. Not just tired, he looked empty. His coffee sat in front of him, untouched. I walked in and asked softly, "Jeff, are you okay?" He looked up, and his voice was shaky. "Bella, I need to tell you something." Then he said the words that broke my heart. "I kissed Mary last night." At first, I didn't understand. I thought I heard wrong. "What do you mean you kissed her?" "I was drunk," he said. "She came close. I didn't stop her. I don't even know why, it just happened." It just happened. That phrase kept echoing in my mind. I felt crushed. The betrayal hit me like a wave. "You let it happen," I said. "You have a mind, a mouth. You could have said no." He begged, "It was a mistake. Just one moment. I love you. Please forgive me." I burst into tears. I screamed. I felt like my chest was being torn open. I couldn't believe this was the man I built my life with. I grabbed his bag, opened the front door, and said through tears, "Get out. You don't live here anymore." He begged to stay, but I didn't let him. I had to protect my heart. Thankfully, Clara was with my parents that weekend. She didn't see or hear any of it. In the days after, Jeff kept calling and texting. Over and over. "Please, Bella. One more chance. I love you. I love Clara. Don't give up on us." I never replied. Then his mother called me. Her voice was soft. "Bella, please. Don't be too hard on him. All men make mistakes." My husband had an affair too, but I stayed. We fixed it. We're okay now. I clenched my jaw. "I'm not you," I said. "I don't want a man who kisses other women." She sighed. "Think about Clara. She needs her father." "She still has her father," I replied. "But I don't want him as my husband." Some people said I was too cold, too serious. But I didn't care. I didn't want to sleep next to betrayal. I didn't want Clara to grow up thinking love without respect was okay. I was hurt, angry, alone, but I also felt clear. The next day, Jeff came to the house with flowers. His eyes were red. "Please, Bella, just talk to me." I opened the door a little. "What do you want?" "I was drunk," he said. "She kissed me first. I didn't plan it. It was a mistake." "But you kissed her back," I said. "You could have stopped. You chose not to." He started crying. "I don't want to lose my family." "You lost us the moment you kissed her," I said. He placed the flowers on the ground and walked away. I didn't pick them up. That night, I couldn't sleep. I thought about our wedding, the day Clara was born, how Jeff made me soup when I was sick, how we danced barefoot in the kitchen. But now, he felt like a stranger. Can I forgive him? Can I ever trust him again? My heart answered, no. Days passed. Jeff didn't stop. He kept calling, messaging. He wrote long texts full of guilt. One night, I read one: I can't eat. I can't sleep. I miss you both. I made a huge mistake, but I never stopped loving you. Please, Bella. Let's rebuild. My hands shook. My chest ached. I still loved him, but I couldn't forget. I cried again that night, holding Clara's hand while she slept. I looked at her peaceful face and thought, what do I want her to learn from me? That love should never hurt like this. That she deserves a love that respects her. The next day, I saw Jeff waiting at Clara's school. She ran to him and hugged him. He brought her a book from her favorite series. They laughed together. I watched from far away, heart heavy. He came to me again. Bella, I'm not giving up. I'll wait as long as it takes. It's too late, Jeff, I said. We were happy, before the lie. He had no words. That night, Clara asked, why doesn't Daddy live with us anymore? I told her the truth in a gentle way. Sometimes grown-ups make mistakes. But we both love you very much. That will never change. She hugged me. I love you, Mommy. I kissed her head. We'll be okay. A year passed. Life moved slowly, but it moved forward. I raised Clara on my own. We found laughter again. We made routines. We made new memories. Jeff came every weekend. He brought toys, books, stories. He stopped drinking. He didn't lie. He gave me space. He respected me. Then, one warm afternoon in June, he came early. He helped me clean the garden. The sun was shining. Clara played on the grass. Can I talk to you? He asked. I nodded. I miss our family. He said softly, I miss being your husband. I made a huge mistake. But I love you. I looked into his eyes. I saw the man he used to be. And maybe, the man he had become again. I remember the pain, I said. But I see who you are now. He held his breath. I looked at Clara, laughing in the sunlight. My heart felt full. I forgive you, I said quietly. And I want us to be together again. His eyes filled with tears. Really? Yes, I said. But not because I'm weak. I'm strong. I choose you again because I believe in second chances. He hugged me tight. Clara ran over. Mommy, Daddy, are you happy? Yes, sweetheart, I whispered. We're happy. We weren't perfect. But we were real. And that was enough. Thank you for listening to our story, Bella, Jeff, and Clara. A story about heartbreak, love, and forgiveness. Life is not always easy. People make mistakes. But with real change and real love, healing is possible. Hearts can break. Families can fall, but they can also rise again.